What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Guys, you can follow them on their channels, their links will be in the description. Alright, introduce yourself.
My name is Jahmyeika. Please subscribe to my channel. Same thing on Instagram, same thing on Snapchat, same thing on Facebook, same thing on...
No, you're full up too much.
Hi guys, I am Brittany. Just follow me on Instagram. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Empress Evie. Follow me on my YouTube channel and my IG is empress.evie. Okay.
Alright, so we'll be doing I guess the riddle. So the video, I feel like the video is a miss before it starts. I'm gonna see how well my friend them did not do them riddle at school. I remember.
My English teacher ever breed, you know.
True.
Alright, so one. Why is every river rich?
Because it's full of current.
Wait, I'm gonna start properly.
I don't really understand that.
Riddle me this, riddle me that.
Yeah.
Why is every river rich?
Every river?
Every river, why rich?
Because people always are throwing money in there.
What? Bro, what are you talking
Then you
about?
just actually walk and throw your money with
No,
us?
let them always throw money on
A
them.
wishing well.
Ah.
It's a well, not a river.
I'm
Rich
telling you,
because
so this
it's
video is
full of
a mess.
current. It's full of current.
From
And
where
electricity that. Electricity that and GPS not cheap.
What you have to
And
say,
that's the
friend?
answer.
What you have to say?
Because they come from the mountain.
The answer
Subscribe
is
to Yannick channel, please, guys.
the answer is because it has two banks.
I didn't even know that. I swear for my life. What me I say?
Next, riddle me this, riddle me that. The longer it take for the longer it turn up, the longer it turn, the shorter it gets.
Lord God, man.
Buddy.
I even know I want something I think more. I know
Buddy.
that's trying to eat.
Buddy,
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm not think more too. I'm not
the longer it a go short, because you go come.
Shut the
You
fuck
have
up,
nothing
please.
to say?
Nothing.
Wait, the longer it get, the stiffer it get, that is it?
The longer it turn, the shorter it gets.
The longer it turn, the shorter it gets. Patience.
Baba?
Yo, I'm confident.
Bird.
Candle. The longer it
never
turn,
think
the
that.
shorter it gets. Like no go with my friend them here, the periods. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Who for bed always wet?
Mine when I come.
Who for bed always wet? River bed.
My friend. My friend. Yeah, give me time.
He's a thief. Your YouTube channel, right?
Riddle me this, riddle me that. What do trains and clothes have in common?
Then put on the
Line.
bat. Them
Line and what?
Them
Me I go go it right because I'm say line is because they
It's not
both
only,
spend
you know,
a lot
and
of
me.
Alright, riddle girl. Spend a lot of time on the line. Next one, riddle me this, riddle me that.
I was gonna go.
Why do we have to go to bed?
Because the bed can't come to it.
your back flip.
Next one. Riddle me this, riddle me that. What always goes up and never comes
Edge.
down?
Give me smoke. Edge.
Age.
Right answer, yo.
Yeah, girl. 1, 1, 2.
Riddle me this, riddle me. Like people, tell me what my just did I go say. Cause true.
So that.
Run like biscuits,
Tough
but
like
busy like bees.
Run like biscuit and busy like bees.
Come
Yeah.
on.
Wheel.
Come again.
Tire.
Run like biscuit, but
Batty.
busy like bees.
Boy, if you don't get
Yes.
Ball. Ball.
So when you're about to make, I go clap twip for. Car watch.
What?
Round like biscuit and busy like. You don't know when you clap them environment nice and them basically busy them I tell you the time. Riddle me this, riddle me that. What's your What's yours but other people use it more than you?
Time.
Name. My name.
Right.
Right there,
Two,
so.
two, me
Right.
don't know.
Yo. Which school you go dance?
Dance.
Dance?
Man, I'm gonna see him by smooth and I'm
Dance?
No time for that.
Dance, girl.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. Hella top, hella bottom, hallelujah in the middle. What's a my?
Kevin. I don't know.
Puro.
It's a hallelujah.
My friend by a long time.
I'm not even
Ella
Must say Ella top, Ella bottom,
What is in the middle? Or
Hallelujah
what
in the middle.
I'm still lost.
When you had do pudding
No,
out
hallelujah.
a door, tap it there, the zinc at the top, the zinc at the bottom, and you know so the pudding tastes real good. Next one, this riddle my dad. My mother have a pretty house, but I one stick hold it up.
Matches.
You
ma-
matches.
You
You
ma-
matches all up your own. You need a carpet.
Come again, come again.
One stick all the time.
One stick hold it up. Who am I?
Your father.
You have a pint still. You done? You done, guys?
Yeah, done.
Umbrella.
Oh, but I know every umbrella pretty.
But I hear mother have the pretty one. I never see an ugly umbrella. This riddle my that. 4 brothers went on a trip. 2 before, 2 behind. The 2 behind could never catch up with the 2 in the front. What am I?
Wheel.
I feel like you're looking at this.
No.
She look, you
Ma
want
come
to be behind
so. Bumba. Ma come
I got
so.
something
Ma
from
come so.
I got
And
something
we
from
come
Evie
to my
too.
go and give me my props.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. Jigga room, jigga all. Stand up in the corner.
Till your knees fall.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
I'm where I am. I really think I'm where I am.
For repeat it?
Yeah.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. Jiggler room. Well, not jiggle. Jigga room. Jigga all. Stand up in the corner. Who am I?
Dopey.
Naughty kid.
Don't come have to say.
No.
Broom.
Broom.
I'm gonna put my alarm.
Yeah, jigga room. Jigga all. Stand up in the corner when you're done. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Why did the donkey go over the moon?
Donkey no cow.
Over the mountain.
Oh. Forgot drink.
Water.
Where officer Brittany?
I never with that donkey.
Because him can't go under the mountain. Him can't go under it. Him go over it.
Everybody know the donkey can go.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. A cow and a donkey are coming around the corner. They crash. Which is wrong? Which one of them wrong? The cow and the donkey are coming around one corner. And them crash. Who wrong?
The corner.
Oh, the
Clap
car.
yourself.
Right?
Clap yourself. Yeah, you're right.
No, right. Who wrong? The cow and the donkey girl in the corner. Who wrong? The person with up on the next corner.
No, don't guess?
The donkey and the cow come round the car.
Right.
Who wrong?
Right. Who wrong?
The cow.
Why the cow wrong?
2 hours later.
Because we cow the cow no for the pan farm.
You're right, you know, you're partially right. But the cow wrong because him should have blew him on.
Blood clot. Moo. I give us a move out of the way.
You guys, this is a riddle. Green grass makalaka. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Green grass makalaka.
Boom shaka shaka.
What am I? Green grass
Grasshopper.
makalaka. Try again.
Cricket.
Try again. Tell me when you done, guys.
Lizard ya black me.
Push.
Lizard.
Wrong. Green grass makalaka.
Maka.
Yeah, makalaka.
Brittany, what you say? I say if you don't follow Brittany, remember say Brittany had a video.
Because me not nothing so I embarrass myself.
So what's up?
Maka
Oh,
laka.
so juki.
Yeah. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ensure to check out their channels. Their information will be down below in the description box. Bye.
Later.